safe, fun video, but it may be disgusting to some of y'all. So, before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the notification bell and like this video if you enjoy it. And this is your warning right here. If you do not like gross things like oils and pores and up close microscope, like with a microscope, click off this video and go watch some of my older videos. So yeah, today we got the little microscope camera so you can see all your stuff, and I'm gonna be doing my nose and on my chin because those are my most like problem areas and everything, and I already went through it and I did some and it looks crazy. So let's get started. So this is my skin before. So those are some blackheads. More blackheads. Those blackheads. Blackhead. Oil. That's the oil right there. That's my nose. And then, I don't know. I have a beard? Here's my chin. Ugh. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my mole. Let's do my nail. Oh, I have scratches. Let's look at my eyebrows. They're greasy. The heck? That's disgusting. Now we're gonna look at my eyelashes. Oh, look. They look so long. Okay, now I have a cut on my thigh. And I want to see what this looks like. Ew. Ew. Is that like rotting? I'm gonna put like a 5-second clip video of something, and then you have to guess what it is. It's not anything like private parts or anything, because I'm not like that. But yeah, so comment down below what you think it is, and I'm never gonna tell you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!